Hello friends, I am fine and I hope that you will be also fine. Today's story topic is Sabiha Khanum. Please put on the nice comment, press bell icon and first of all you subscribe my channel so that you will receive my video easily. Thank you friend. Friends, Sabiha Khanum was born in Mukhtar Begum in a village near Gujarat in Punjab, Pakistan to Muhammad Ali Mahiya and Iqbal Begum Balo. She was raised in a conservative rural environment by her grandparents but got her first acting opportunity on stage in Lahore after moving there to be with her father. A cultural delegation visited a cinema house in Sialkot, Pakistan in 1948. Mukhtar Begum, then a young girl in 1948, who was a part of the delegation, sang the Punjabi song Kithe Gayi Yun Pardesi Ve from the film Sasi Poonam, which started Bablu and Aslam. Her performance was praised and soon Muhammad Ali introduced his daughter to a stage drama writer and poet Nafis Khalili. Nothing her determination, Khalili offered her a role in a drama Bat Sikha, which she accepted. Nafis Khalili gave her the screen name of Sabiha Khanum. On Nafis Khalili request, the film director Masood Parvez offered her a role in a film Bailey 1950, giving Sabiha her debut as a film actress in 1950. Bailey was also the first film of Masood Parvez as a director. Next, Sabiha played the role of Noori in famous director-producer Anwar Kamal Pasha, starring Santosh, Kumar, Gulshan Ara and Sabiha. It was the first film to celebrate a silver jubilee in the new film industry of Pakistan. The film was based on a earlier Noor Jahan hit Bhaijan 1945 and look at how a man in Darwazi ruins the lives of her wife and daughter. In fact, such was the impact of the film that it was remade twice subsequently in Pakistan, in Punjab and Anjuman in Urdu. So dear friends, how you like my video? Tell me in comment box. God bless you. So friend, bye. We will meet in the next video. Allah Hafiz.